In this exercise, we are going to start the ship from cold ship condition. So we have to start both the diesel generators and keep it running. So first we go to our emergency generator. We have to start the emergency generator. The RPM should reach 1800. Okay, once the RPM reaches 1800, we need to go to our electric power plant and turn on the voltage excitation and connect the breaker. And then we have to go to our emergency bus bar and to our emergency switchboard, and we have to switch on every emergency equipment. Give supply to every emergency equipment. Switch on the transformer. Above is 440 volts, below this is 220 volts. Next we have our emergency supply. So with this we can start our seawater system, and then freshwater system, and then starting air system and fuel oil system, lube oil system to start our diesel generators. So first we'll turn on the IC suction and any one cooler, main cooler, and both the DG coolers, and the valve to the overboard and the bypass, and turn on the auxiliary pump. Next we go to our freshwater system, turn on any one cooler, turn on only the inlet to the air compressor, turn on the inlet to the preheater, inlet to the engine, outlet from the engine, and the bypass, and then turn on your pumps, auxiliary pumps. Next is the starting air system. So first we have to open the drains to drain the moisture from the line, open the valve to the emergency air bottle, put it on local, and then start. After it's drained, right click to close it. So you can see the pressure rising here. Turn on the starting air outlets to both the diesel generators. So next we will go to a diesel generator and make up the lube oil level to 70. We can turn on the hand pump to get the pressure up quickly. We need at least 13 to 15 bar to start our engine. So the level is 70, we can close the lube oil. Open any one filter and put the pump on auto. Your lube oil system will start running. And then go to your diesel oil service tank and open the outlets to both DG1 and 2. Open the valves, any one filter, your fuel oil system is set up. So you just need to get the pressure up to 13 bar or 13 bar and above. So we can do the same procedures to diesel generator 2. Okay, the pressure is 13 bar, so we can start our engine. Put it on local and give start. The RPM set point is 900, so we should wait till the RPM reaches 900 here and then switch over to remote. So we'll start the DG2 also. Okay, now we go to our electric power plant and we will switch over the power from emergency generators to our main generators so that our generators can take the load. Switch on the voltage excitation and then go to your panel directory. Acknowledge the alarms and then in your panel directory, in your diesel generator panel, give the phase to RSR and connect the breaker. Your breaker is connected. So the same thing to DG2, but you have to synchronize the incoming generator now. So to synchronize the generator, you need to turn on your synchroscope. Your DG2 is the incoming generator, so put it on DG2 and then you should move this light so that it takes a full revolution, and once it reaches 11 o'clock you should connect the breaker. So to start moving it, you have to increase your governor and take it off. So you can see at delta V and delta F, both these lights should be on to indicate that synchronization has happened. So both voltage and frequency are same. So when it reached 11 o'clock, I connected the circuit breaker. So if you check your electric power plant, both generators would have connected and both would have synchronized. So we need to take the load from our emergency generator to our main generators. We connect the bus tie and we connect the breaker. Once it disconnects from here, there are auxiliary pumps systems running, so auxiliary pumps will be cut off. So to turn it back on, we go to our seawater system again and turn on the auxiliary pump. Same to the freshwater pump system and turn on the auxiliary pumps. And then you have to give supply to every other equipment from our main switchboard starters. And then also the feeders. Connect the circuit and then give supply at the bottom row. Because this is 440 volt area, and this is 220 volts. So now you have supply to your main pumps. So you have to switch over from your auxiliaries to your main pumps. So to switch over, turn on your main pump, switch off auxiliaries and put it on remote. Same to the freshwater systems. And then you have to fill your main air bottles. So you need to start your main air compressors. So put it on local, open the drains and your valve to the intercooler and open any one air bottle for now. So start both compressors, close the drains and switch everything to a remote, so that when the pressure limit reaches, it can cut off automatically. Now go to your panel directory. This is your power chief. So here you set your systems to auto. So whichever you set remote, whichever pumps you set as remote, those will be automatically turned on or turned off when you give auto here. Set any one compressor on master and turn on auto. So when you come to your process overview, you can see your DG1 and 2 running. So that's the main goal of this exercise. So finally, after you check the running condition of both generators, you come to your emergency generator and put it on auto. And in your starting air system, when the pressure has reached 15 bar and above, you have to turn on your second air bottle so that it can also fill up. That concludes the exercise.